we are going to the beach. And we finally reached this Kochi beach. From here we can see that already a lot of people there. Wow, it looks like beautiful. The same like the one in Bondi Beach. It looks more beautiful here. And you know what? I have new monopod, I have new tripod. And I can make it this long. So this is the Kochi beach. Kochi or Kogi? Yeah, and this is how it looks. At the moment you're going to see a lot of people there swimming. And yeah. Nice. So this is like a commercial residential area. It's like a meeting place for the people who don't want to swim but want to stay in the sun. There are also some like a park on that side, a grassland with a, you know, yeah, and the people here. And I've noticed that there are no people that are doing the surfing. And yeah, as a matter of fact, in here I can see some ladies that are topless. Nice. So this is the beach, and this is the park, something like that. People are also sunbathing here. Yeah, the same, whichever you want, there in the water or here in the grass. And there is one restaurant here, actually a lot of restaurant there. And we're going to eat here fish and chips, and the other guys are big breakfast. This is something like a swimming pool. Let's have a closer look. This looks like a natural swimming pool. And you see this, the cliff, and like that. Nice. it pulled down. Come here for the first time, for sure you're going to enjoy it because it's really nice looking. And maybe you want to rent a house in one of the houses around there. And you know what? In memory, look at this. On Saturday, 12 October 2002. Yeah. So these are the victim of the blast in the Bali in Indonesia, and they honor it through that. Ba't ganito? Parang nakakatakot na. Si Kino ang...
Sige go, follow mo yan.
Naka-video ka pa rin?
Oo.
Dapat binibidyo mo.
Sana ba to? Feeling ko andito ako sa ano.
So we get to the wrong way. There are people inside, and they advise us to get in the right way. Maybe this one.
O, dito talaga.
Ang legs ha?
Let's go!
Ang legs ko
Ah, ito. Wag dito matalas yung ano kahoy.
Saan ba tayo?
Wala.
Ah, ito.
Wala na, you are here? You are here.
Saan yun?
Ah, you are
Gordo.
here.
Saan yung bunday? Andun pa pala.
Ay, oh, pati ka.
Kayang-kaya yan.
Saan ang bongkay niyan?
Ang malayo pa.
Basta 8 hours yun.
Kaya yan.
So this Koji beach is more of a nature. It's very near to the nature compared to Bondi Beach. Bondi Beach is in the city, already a lot of houses, and there you rarely see trees, plants like this. And by just walking we reach this beach. Nice. And you know the sand is there. It's like a small river going there and becoming big on that side. So there's no wave in this side. And you know what? They have a nice swimming pool here. Ah, madumi. Pinapasukan ng tubig, no? Tubig dagat.
Si Tatang naliligo.
So this is swimming pool. The water is coming from the sea. Nandito na kami. Ah, kala ko sa Boracay. So there's a lot of houses here, but they are empty.
How you know this is empty?
Empty looking. There is no curtain. So we walk from that side.
Tapos sa Laguna tayo, tangin.
You see that? We walk all the way. Going here.
Ayun yung pangkuha ng damit.
Look at this. This is a cemetery. So Australia is also a Catholic country.
Oh, you know it's Catholic.
They use cross.
Namumuwit sa gilid. Vlog ka na, dali.
Baka pag ini-edit ko, may tao doon.
May ano, no? May nakasilip.
Look, there are two kids that are playing. We reached Kochi Beach by around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and the time now is 7:30 in the evening, but it's still bright.
Totoo ba yan?
And yeah, it's like we're having we've been walking since 3 o'clock. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 4 hours walk. Maybe 5 hours from Kochi to Bondi Beach.
Oh, you know.
And my camera is running out of battery now, but at the moment I think we are still have around 30 minutes walk to reach the Bondi Beach. So I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Ciao.